Welcome back to the Godzilla Torino channel. This is part 2 of the PERCY'S restoration header installation. Not going for perfection, just trying to get some of the surface rust off. I don't think any of this is going to affect the performance, but it's nice to look at headers that aren't all pock-marked in surface rust. This is some good solid steel. It's not anywhere near doing any kind of structural rust, but it's kind of ugly. So I'm just trying to take care of as much of it as we can before I dust it with some more header paint. So this is what you do when you're poor. You don't spend $500 on getting something ceramic coated for some marginal gain. You just, sand it down a little bit and coat it with some, $10 or $20 worth of VHT header paint. Call it a day. And when you win the lotto, you go do that, ceramic coating that all you rich folks love to invest in. Well, it's already dark, and I'm not going to waste any more time getting to this, because I want to get this car done, and I want to get out there. So, this ain't the greatest way to do this, but I don't care. I'm tired of messing around. I'm just going to spray these damn things, and we're going to get this thing in the car soon. This is my budget. 1 can per header. And if that's not enough, oh well. Just going to wipe these ones down a little bit. And I'm going to spray them. This side is the bag of snakes. This side's the bag of snakes. Well, they're both snakes. All right, let's do this, baby. So I probably won't get to starting the car till tomorrow because I want to let the paint dry, but I want to get this done. And I can't see putting the headers back in the car and not throwing a little coat of paint on them because they were looking kind of shabby. So because I don't have a lot of paint, this stuff's like 10 bucks a can, I'm doing the stuff that you're going to see for the most part. This car is, its days of sitting outside are done, so I'm not too worried about like rust and whatnot. So just want it to look somewhat pretty, if not less than hideous. This one seems like it came out a little better, but I'm not done. I'm going to use up the whole stinking can on each header. One can on each header. Yay. Okay, Godzilla's. This is the Godzilla channel, and we're resuming our header installation. So now I got these on and they're not tight, but I want to fit the collector, so we're going to do that next. Whew. I need a bigger garage. Yes, I do. So this is the time for the test. I already know that the fuel pump is bad, but I want to show y'all that this thing actually can run if we give it half a chance. Not too bad. Well, that's it for this round. Thanks for checking out the channel, and please subscribe and like the video, and we'll have more to come. Thank you very much.